I've had some pre-workout and a coffee this morning, so I am buzzing. Anyway, I think he needs my full attention before he books a car in like Europe or something. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is now Monday, it is 10 AM and I'm just about to walk into the gym. Usually I work out in the afternoons, but we have plans later today and it's also really stinking hot. It's going to be 41 degrees in the afternoon. It's already like 35 or something now, 32. So I'm just like gonna get my workout in real quick. I've had some pre-workout and a coffee this morning, so I am buzzing. I'm gonna do a leg day and put all of this energy to good use. And I also wrote myself a new workout plan this week, so I'm super excited to get that going. I really want to work on my strength this year, so I've wrote myself a program that's really gonna hopefully challenge me. But anyway, I'm gonna get in there, smash this workout in. Happy Monday. Alright guys, so I'm now back from the gym. I've showered because I was a sweaty mess and it is now 1:30, so I am starving. I just went on an Instagram ramble on my Instagram. If you follow me on there you may have seen it, but on Mondays I do check-ins with clients, so we go through a lot of the things that they've been like dealing with and mindset shifts and things like that. So every now and again I like to go on my Instagram and have like little rambles to help you guys. So if you saw that, hopefully it somewhat helped you. But anyway, I'm about to make my lunch. So I'm making sweet chili chicken tender wraps. I've been obsessed with these lately. They're just so good. They remind me of my childhood. So in the air fryer over here I've just got sweet chili tenders. I've got these wraps. I've got some light cheese, some leftover lettuce, some sweet chili sauce, and some mayonnaise. This is also the best mayonnaise that I've found, so if you haven't tried this one yet, definitely pick it up. Super good and calorie friendly. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna make this wrap now. Half my head's cut off. So it is now the next day and we are just heading off to the gym at the moment. I feel like that's all I show you guys we do in our vlogs, but that's pretty much all we do aside from work, is go to the gym or see friends, which we did last night. I think I tried to get a few clips on my phone. We just went and played pool and then they came back to our house and we had a few drinks and played a few games, and yeah, it was really fun. It was actually a public holiday in Australia for Australia Day, so ooh, this lighting, what the heck. There we go. But yeah, we're going to the gym. I talked about the other day how I've got a whole new workout program, so today we're doing chest, triceps and shoulders, which I'm a bit nervy for, so that is what we're heading to do right now. Yay. afternoon, guys. This lighting is really dark. Does that someone look better? I'm not sure. But it is now Wednesday. It is 4:30 p.m. and I've honestly just been working all day. So I'm just sitting in my car eating some grapes while I wait for my next client, which starts in about 10 minutes. So it's not too long of a wait. And then I have 2 clients after her, I think. And then I'm gonna go home, make dinner, maybe have a bath. I really feel like having a bath tonight for some reason. That is the update. Not much going on. Guys, so it is now Thursday. I'm currently just basking in fake tan, so if my face and my neck is a different color, that is why. Which is also why I had a bath last night, because I wanted to like exfoliate all my old tan off. But yeah, I'm literally just in trackies and basking in fake tan today, because Thursdays are my days at home. So this morning I've just kind of been doing client programming, emails, editing YouTube videos, all that kind of stuff. Like I literally am at home all day Friday, so I try to make sure I get as much work done as possible. It is now 3 p.m, so I don't know why I said good morning. But I'm about to make some banana muffins because we have some old spotty bananas, and yeah, I just kind of felt like baking. It's really gloomy and rainy outside today, so I feel like this is perfect. The recipe is in my ebook, but what you're gonna need is some oats, obviously some nanas, we've got eggs, I think you only need 1 egg, some maple syrup, vanilla extract, and then butter, some coconut oil, some cinnamon, and some baking powder. It's actually a super simple and easy recipe. There's less than 10 ingredients and it takes about 20 minutes to make. So super easy, super simple, and you can also freeze these as well and they still taste amazing. So let's get crack-lacking. Can hear me over the rain because it's actually that loud. But it is now Friday morning and I am just about to train some clients, poor clients, because honestly it is pouring rain. I'm sure you can hear it on the roof of my car, but luckily there's heaps of sheltered areas around here, so don't worry, I'm not making anyone train like in the actual rain. But one of my main fears is driving in the rain. I honestly hate it so much. Let me know down below if you guys struggle with anxiety around driving, particularly in the rain, but also in general. I hate driving. Luckily, where I train my clients is not too far from my house, because if I had to drive like an hour or so, I honestly probably would have cancelled. That's how scared I am of driving in the rain, particularly on like highways and freeways. But anyway, I'm just waiting for a client, so I thought I would just check in. Good afternoon. afternoon, guys. So I've just literally been laying in bed for, I'm gonna say, the last probably like 5 hours. I have been working. I've been editing the last YouTube video that went up before this one, but yeah, my back has just been really hurting today. I think I did something either last night or this morning, because I woke up this morning and I was like, ow, I cannot even like bend down. So that's been fun, especially training clients. It's super hard when you have like an injury and you have to like train other people, because obviously you're demonstrating a lot. But luckily a lot of the clients I have kind of know what they're doing by now because they've had them for a while. But yeah, that's literally been my day. Not overly exciting. I was super keen to go to the gym tonight, and I was going to do back and biceps, but considering my lower back is in a lot of pain, I don't want to put more like pressure on it. So I think tonight I'll have a rest day, and then on Sunday I might do back and biceps. But yeah, that is literally all. Tonight we're actually doing something exciting, and we're booking a little holiday. We're gonna go to the Gold Coast for the long weekend in March, and it is the first time we're gonna hop on a plane in literally a year. Like March 8th last year we went to Bali for our honeymoon, and then this holiday we're booking for March 8th as well. So literally an entire year since we've been on a plane, but I'm so excited. You didn't sign up for this. Yeah. We just booked our flights and our accommodation, and now we're booking the car. If you guys have been to Gold Coast or live in Queensland, let us know if you've got any tips or
tricks.
Tips or tricks, or anywhere cool to go, because we've been there together before, but it was like 7 years ago, and I feel like the world has just gotten better. Like there's so many.
You need a holiday, don't you, Britt?
I do need a holiday. Anyway, I think he needs my full attention before he books a car in like Europe or something.
So just type in Gold Coast. This one says Gold Coast Airport.
So it is now Saturday, and I'm just ending out this vlog. We're actually all dressed up to go to a 30th tonight. This is Andy's get up. If you can't tell, it's Hawaiian themed by his very bold statement shirt. But yeah, I just wanted to end out this vlog, so please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please also don't forget to hit subscribe down below if you are new to my channel. I will see you guys in next week's weekly vlog. Bye.